Hey, this is Deepak here, and a very warm welcome to the 100-day blogging course. I'm very excited to start this course, and I'm sure that you are equally excited as well. So, in this introductory video, let's talk about what are my expectations from you in this course, what you can expect from me, and we will also talk about what is the kind of support level that we can have for the different questions that you will have throughout this program. So let's talk about what do I expect from you. I expect you to go ahead and take action on the lessons. I don't want you to passively consume the lessons and not take any action, because the whole value of this program lies in how you are going to apply the things that you have learned and start a blog of your own. I also want you to think that this course is worth 20,000 rupees or 30,000 rupees, because my funda with all the courses that I sell is that I want to provide 10x to 20x value of what the course costs. So I don't want you to think that this course is not important because you did not end up paying 20,000 or 30,000 rupees for it, even though you have paid much lesser. I want you to take it seriously. The course price should not reduce the value of the course that you have in your mind. So I made the course low price so that everyone can have access to it. That doesn't mean that the course is not that valuable. I also don't want you to get caught up in perfection, because sometimes if you are trying to be too perfect with everything that you do, then you might not take any action at all. So the blog that you are starting now need not be your permanent blog. It can be an experimental blog, but after each and every lesson, don't wait and implement these steps immediately, even if it is not going to be perfect. I also want you to set blogging goals. I am not going to set these goals for you because different people are comfortable with different levels of goals. Some people will have a goal of having 5,000 visitors a day to their blog, and some people will have a goal of 50 visitors a day to their blog. And it all depends upon the kind of market that you are in and kind of goals that you have set yourself. But go ahead and set blogging goals, and let this course help you achieve your blogging goals. So that is very important. So if you think that you are stuck in the course and it's not helping you achieve your goals, you let me know, and we will modify the content in the program in such a way that it helps you achieve your goals. So that is what you are going to get from the end of this program. You have not just invested your money, but you are going to invest a lot of time in this course. So what can you expect from me? 100% commitment towards your success. So I am 100% committed, and I want you to get blogging success by learning from this program. That is why I have created this program. I will listen to your feedback very closely, and I will create content accordingly as we go ahead. One of the reasons we haven't had a very clear outline before we started the program is because the learning needs will change as we go on. So keep giving me feedback on what you have learned. Most of the feedback will come as comments in the videos that I am posting. So go ahead and feel free to post those comments. You will also get inspiration, mentorship, and guidance from me. And you will also get an insight into my way of thinking and how I operate, how I execute tasks and things like that. So this type of thinking, it took a long time for me to develop, which actually contributes to some of my success. So it's not just about the digital marketing knowledge that you have, it's also the way you think about digital marketing and the way you implement digital marketing. So that is also something that you will learn from me. Now we will talk a little bit about how your questions will be answered. So if I am training someone one-on-one, and let's say I am charging a very high price for a personal consulting session, then they can ask any questions to me and I will be able to answer it. But you have to understand that in this coaching group or in this entire 100-day learn blogging program, we have more than 1,000 students who have enrolled for the program, which means that I may not be able to spend time individually with all the 1,000 students. So the answers to most of your blogging questions will be covered in the training videos. If I feel that you have some other question based on the comments, I will create training videos based on that. So this content will be common for all the students who have joined this course. But there will also be some common questions which are common for a group of people. Let's say out of the 1,000 students, maybe 20 people have a question. So such questions will be answered in group coaching calls, where in the live Q&A session you can ask me questions and I will answer it. So this will help a lot of people because a lot of people have the same question. But you will also have very specific questions which are very specific to you as an individual. Out of the 1,000 students, you may have a question which is not common to any other people. So if you have such questions, then you have to understand that since there are a lot of students in this program, I might not be able to answer each and every question individually. So such questions are usually best answered by doing some self research go ahead and read more articles and read more content, consume more content, and do some research, do some thinking, and you will find answers to these questions. Or you can ask it in the forum. So whenever there is some traction and a lot of people are asking the same question, I would go ahead and answer in the forum. But then you always have a support community of 1,000 other students who are in the same learning group, and you can help each other out. So that is how your questions will be answered. And please understand that I might not be able to reply to every email, but you are always welcome to come to the coaching calls and ask questions in the coaching calls. I think we have set the expectations right. We learned about what I am expecting from you, what you can expect from me, and what is the support level that you are going to get. So that's about it for the welcome video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.